Ever wonder why flashing strobe lights can trigger seizures? Let's break it down. So brain cells rely on electricity to signal to each other. Some of these electrical signals activate other neurons while others shut the neurons down, but the amount of activation and inhibition have to be delicately balanced. Classic Goldilocks situation where if there's too much of one or the other, that can cause things to go off balance and cause a lot of problems. So when some people with epilepsy see certain frequencies or patterns of light, it can cause cells in the visual cortex to sync up with each other, which leads to a flood of electrical signals that can spread throughout the whole brain. But it's important to know that only a small percent of people with seizure disorders have this photosensitivity. Other people can be triggered by lack of sleep, low blood sugar, taking certain drugs, alcohol or medication, stress. So scientists are really working on solving this problem by attacking it in two ways. First step, understand the circuits that power the brain. How do different brain areas communicate with each other and reach this balance? The second step is to understand how and why these circuits malfunction. In epilepsy and other brain disorders like anxiety disorders, schizophrenia, chronic pain, depression, traumatic brain injuries, there's still lots of open questions, but each answer takes us one step forward in finding cures and treatments for these conditions. Thanks for watching. Follow for more brain facts.